Premium Plus was registered last year in September, so it is on a 74 registration. Does come with a £4,000 paint option of the classic grey, and also has the night package equipped as well. Do of course have the Multibeam LED headlights. You also have the parking package with the 360-degree cameras. Moving down the side, you do get the 20-inch AMG alloy wheels finished in gloss black, and the distinctive wheel arches with your running boards. You do also have the rear privacy glass. And moving round to the rear, the spare wheel cover and your tow bar. Take a look inside. You do get full black Nappa leather with the dinamica headlining. Heated outer rear seats as well with the Burmester 3D surround sound. Moving on into the front, as this is the facelift, it does come with the facelifted steering wheel, and you do have your heated front seats with the memory package as standard as well. Overall, just a lovely cabin, and of course does have the electric sliding sunroof. Does have the widescreen displays, which does have your wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and navigation through there. Do also have the driving assistance package, which gives you all the safety features. You also have your differential locks and off-road cockpit through there. Does also come with a wireless charging pad and your heated and ventilated cup holders. As you'd expect from a 2024 car, it's still in really lovely condition, nearly as new. Has been owned from one owner from new, and does come with the remaining manufacturer's warranty until September 2027. If you've got any more questions, please do contact us on 01423 33 1133.